Hi loves, Lexie here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe button if you like me by the end of the video. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for supporting me and loving me. And today we are going to be working on our brows with our first focus video of the month of June. So for our first video, we're going to be working with the Ecobrow defining wax. I have it in the shade Rita, which is for auburn hair, but I find that it actually works really well for my hair, even though I definitely do not have any auburn up in my hair. But this is a really good product, and right now I'm going to show you exactly how I use this product and then give you a little blurb on my thoughts. So, if you want to learn how to use this or know anything about this, keep watching. I know I look really weird right now, but I did one brow off camera so you could like see what the end product's gonna look like, and also to save time because watching me do 2 brows is a lot more boring than watching me do 1. So let's get in with this product. Again, it's the Ecobrow in the shade Rita. This is actually meant for auburn hair, but it works really well for mine. So I just went ahead and did it. So I'm gonna put my face right here, and hopefully this is going to look nice. Kind of weird doing it on camera. I never ever do my brows on camera. While I do my brows, I just basically follow the natural shape, just like so. Dip in some more wax, and then I start building on the front. So when I do the front, make a line under the brow, and then I start blending upwards. Just like that. And you just keep blending and darkening. But you always want to make sure that there's not a really harsh line. I like a natural brow rather than something that's like super bold. I like bold brows, but I also like them to look a little natural. So, yeah. And then I'm going to touch this one up a little bit to make it match a little better. Alright, that's my brows. Comb through them real quick. And that's literally what you do. It's so easy. I feel like I get through my brows pretty quickly because I am just basically outlining the brow. I'm not actually shaping it or anything. I'm just following the natural shape I've already been given. I do like my brows a little bit bold, like I said, but I still want them to look a little natural, where it doesn't look like you can obviously see all the pencil marks or anything like that. Of course, I don't use a pencil, but yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, that was the tutorial of today. So now we're going to talk about the product itself. Again, it is the Ecobrow Defining Wax. It does have a lot of pigment to it, so I would not use it just as a wax, but I know you can use it just as a wax, but I just use it as a pigment because it has a lot in it. It's very creamy, but it's also, you know, waxy. So it does help the brows stay in place, but it also is creamy, so it's like easy to wipe away if you like go outside your brow line or anything like that. It's really easy to work with. I can blend it in very easily with my brows. It doesn't have any problems when it comes to texture in your brows. It doesn't make your brows feel really creamy or heavy or hard. It just kind of feels like natural. You don't really notice anything's there, which is awesome because feeling like there's something like stuck on your face all day is kind of annoying. And I mean, as somebody who does makeup a lot, I understand that feeling because, you know, I do a lot of makeup, so I can definitely feel it sometimes. But it's just, this is good for like an everyday brow if you want to go a little bold. But you can also soften it up really easy because you don't have to put as much on your brush. You can just lightly feather it through and then comb, and then you're fine. So there's a lot of different ways you can go with this. The brow gel itself, it just looks like this. It comes in a little pot. It's really small, black cap, you know, pretty easy to understand. It is meant for auburn hair, but it comes off very medium brown in my opinion. So I just use it for my brows because it seemed to work. At first I was really scared to pick this up because I was like, auburn. I'm not redheaded at all, so I don't know if this will really work for me. But then I opened it and I was looking at it and I was like, that does not look like a redhead, okay? And I was like, I'll just get this. And it was 99 cents. And I think this retails for like over 20 bucks and I got it for 99 cents. And I was like, wow. And overall, I'm really happy with my purchase. I will have this product linked down below if I can find it online still. I do totally recommend this product. Also, I want to say that I've been using this for a little bit over a week and I haven't noticed any clogging around my brows. Some brow products I know usually break me up or clog my pores around my brows or in my brow, but I haven't noticed that with this. So if you have sensitive skin or you break out easily from brow products, I feel like this is an okay brow product. Like I said, it hasn't done anything to me, and I break out from like everything. So if it hasn't done anything to me, I don't think it's going to be doing much to other people. So, alright. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you as always. And hit that subscribe button if you like this and the like button to let me know you want more. You will be seeing another brow focus video next week on Thursday. Bye guys!